Inside this tiny bell lies a story, carved with care. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this beautiful nativity bell from the first cut to the final ribbon. To begin shaping the bell, we start with a spruce branch at least 2 inches thick. Using a bandsaw, we cut off a 4-inch piece to work with. In the next step, we remove the bark with an axe. Bark contains a lot of resin, which could stick to our chisels and other parts of the lathe during turning. With the bark removed, we mount the branch onto the lathe and begin shaping the bell. Since we'll be focusing mainly on crafting the nativity scene in this video, you can find the full bell making process in my other video, From Branch to Bell, available on my channel. Once the bell is turned, we trace the bottom shape onto a thin wooden board before cutting the opening into the bell itself. Using the bandsaw, we cut off about 1/3 of the bell at a slight inward angle, creating the entrance, which we achieve by slightly raising one side of the bell. We use a disc sander to smooth out the entrance shape of the bell. To smooth the edges of the opening, we use a hand file. For the finer cuts ahead, we switch to the scroll saw. It's ideal for crafting the small, intricate pieces we'll need for the nativity scene. We glue the bell onto the round wooden base, the one we just cut, which now becomes the floor of the stable. While the glue sets, we begin working on the nativity figures. They're very small, and cutting them with this tool takes a steady hand and a bit of patience. We start with the Star of Bethlehem, made from naturally darker plum wood so it will stand out once it's placed above the entrance to the bell-shaped stable. Next, we sketch and cut the remaining figures: Mary, Joseph, baby Jesus, the sheep, and the donkey. Once all the figures are cut, we refine their shape by hand with a file. Then we smooth the surface with a sanding sponge, which also removes the pencil marks from the sketch. Meanwhile, the glue between the bell and the wooden base has dried, so we can sand the bottom. For this, I use a small angle grinder. Once all the parts of the Nativity are finished, we apply a clear coat for protection. I didn't use any paint. I find the natural color of the wood most beautiful for a piece like this. Once everything is coated and fully dry, we glue the figures into place, arranging them gently inside the nativity scene. We start by placing Mary and Joseph in the center of the stable, facing each other. Then, in front of them, we place the manger with baby Jesus. To the right of the stable entrance, we place the donkey. On the left side of the entrance, we place the sheep. The final touch is the Star of Bethlehem, which we glue above the entrance to the stable. To hang the bell on the Christmas tree, we thread a red ribbon through the hole at the top and glue its ends together using super glue. With that, our creation of the unique nativity bell is complete. All that's left is to hang this beautiful piece on the Christmas tree.